didn't expect you to wake up that fast. Your skin was turning blue, and frost was covering you. I didn't know if you'd make it, but I'm glad you did. How are you feeling? I almost lost you while taking you back to the cave. The blizzard outside is quite terrible, but I see you've regained your warmth from the fire. I see. That is a relief. It is not often I start a fire, as it can be a little dangerous for me if I'm not careful. But since I was able to help warm you up, I believe that it was worth the risk. An excellent question. I can imagine that you have not seen one of my kind before. I am what's known as a Yuki-Onna, or Snow Woman. These snowy mountains are my home. What an odd human you are. I am partially human, yes. I take the shape and form of a human, and this body functions and feels similar to that of a human's body. But no. Some call me elemental, while others call me a spirit. To me, however, I am merely myself. Now, it is fortuitous that you have awoken at the time that you did, as the hot water should be done. Let me pour you a cup, human. Now, it will take a little bit for the flavors of the herbs to infuse with the water, but we can continue to talk as we wait. Unfortunately, tea is too hot for one of my composition to consume. If I drank any, there is a chance I may start to melt a little. Yes, it is quite unfortunate. There are many of the finer things in life that I am unable to enjoy due to my status as a Yuki-Onna. It is not all bad, though. I have some control over the snow, which assisted me in weathering the storm in order to bring you here. Using my abilities, I was able to have the snow blow around us as to not assault your body more than it already was. Is it too much to believe that I saved you from the goodness of my heart? I suppose you are right. There is nothing free in this world. There is something I need from you, as you needed me to save you from that blizzard. The truth is, I need your warmth. The warmth of a human body. Despite being a woman of the snow, I do still crave warmth. It's quite ironic, is it not? While things like fire and tea are too hot for my body to handle, the body heat of a human being is perfect for me to absorb without causing me any harm. Along with that, there are not many people that pass by these mountains. It has been quite lonely these past few years, and some company would be most appreciated. I apologize that I am using less than ethical means of keeping you here, but I hope you understand just how desperate I have gotten for human companionship. I will do my utmost to make your stay here as comfortable as possible. I do not know the answer to that question. As much as I would like to keep you here for the rest of your life, I recognize that is hardly fair to you. I think I will keep you here for a month at least. I think I will need you for at least that long. Once a month has passed, we can discuss the terms of your release. Your village? Yes. What about it? That explains why you were trekking through those mountains so urgently. Please do not worry, human. I have a quill and ink here. If you write your message on a piece of parchment, I shall personally beseech the wind spirits to deliver your message to your village. You underestimate how much your presence means to me, human. I am willing to do a lot more to make sure that you stay with me. I don't want a captive prisoner. What I want is a friend. Yes, if we are to be friends, I am to respect your wishes and desires. To an extent, of course. I cannot have you leave me at this moment, as I still need you to stay with me. I appreciate your understanding. I will be sure to deliver any messages you have and meet your every need in exchange for your company and warmth. Speaking of which, is it okay if I embrace you now? I can still feel cold, despite my composition, and the blizzard was quite intense, even for my body. Your warmth would be highly appreciated right now. You have my gratitude, human. This warmth, it's euphoric. Thank you so much for your generosity. I won't forget this, human. Speaking of which, have you tried the tea yet? It should be ready by now, and I would hate for it to get cold before you finished it. It's good? That's a relief. It is not often I get to make tea, but my mother taught me her special blend. She told me that in order to find a human that would want to stay with me, that I would have to learn how to make things that I may not get to enjoy myself. I know how to make tea, soup, and other hot meals that I cannot enjoy. But if you find them to be pleasant, then all those lessons were worth it. But of course, us Yuki-Onna yearn for a lifetime human companion. Most of them lure humans in during blizzards and coerce them to stay with them, lest they be frozen by their icy power. But my mother instilled different values within me. My mother told me that even we were capable of spreading warmth and comfort to our chosen human, if not through our bodies, through the things we provide, and through the affection that we give. I want to win my human partner over with kindness. I want them to stay of their own volition, because they like me as a person. I find great joy in the fact that it is working, then. Thank you. I shall endeavor to continue to show such kindness as you continue to stay with me. Odd. I was not feeling drowsy just a few minutes ago. But now, upon feeling your warmth envelop my body, I cannot help but feel the desire to doze off. Are you comfortable, human? I suppose the coldness of my body can be a bit uncomfortable, but I'm glad that the tea is warming you right back up. The pot is right there, if you ever want another serving. As for me, I think I will rest for a bit. I do not remember the last time I felt so comfortable. I trust you not to run away, human. I predict the blizzard will continue for another few hours. And if you run away while I'm asleep, I'm afraid I might not be able to save you again. So you plan to stay for at least a few days. I suppose I shall accept that for now. Thank you, human. It was my pleasure. I am glad that I was able to meet you. Good night, human.